So with that being done, your magnetic snap is installed. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to install a magnetic snap. It's actually very easy. First thing that you want to do is to cut 2 lines into your fabric like this. And each magnetic snap comes with this metal piece right here. So you will just put that on the fabric wherever you want your magnetic snap to go, and you use a pen or a pencil to draw a line in those 2 holes at the sides right there. Once you've done that, you're going to fold your fabric and use the tip of your scissors to cut into it like this. Then you take this part of your magnetic snap, which is a match for this part. So you can call this the receiver and this the giver, or you can call this the female piece and this the male piece. So they come together like this, and this is a great closure for bags or even clothing. So you just take these 2 prongs or extensions and you slide them into the holes that you made into your fabric. Turn your fabric over. This is something that I do in order to get this to be as durable as possible. I add an extra piece of fabric to the back of it, and it already has holes in it. So I'll just put that there and then take this metal piece, put it on top here, and press these to the sides. You can always use your fingers to just bend it, but it might just feel a little bit painful. So that's the reason why I use the screwdriver top or back. So with that being done, your magnetic snap is installed. You pretty much just repeat the same steps for this one, and it will just come together with the fabric like this, or it will come together once you close whatever part of your bag or clothes that you put it on like this.